Hello everyone, my name is Satriyan and I will perform a poetry reading titled Of Many Worlds in This World by Margaret Cavendish. And the reason why I choose this poem because I like it and it is easy to read, and the theme is related to my group main theme. That's all from me. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Rira. I will read a poem titled A Poem on a Beautiful Nature, written by Vedangi Vikas from India. I chose this poem because it has a simple yet beautiful meaning, and it says on the poem that people are the most beautiful creature and the most beautiful creator of this beautiful nature.
Hello everyone, my name is Tian and I will read a poem titled There Will Come a Friend by Sarah Tisdale. And then the reason why I chose this poem is because I feel that this poem it is related to this recent condition, which is Ukraine and Russia. And also this poem is talk about the nature that was forgotten because of human behavior, which is war. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Nicholas and today I'm gonna read a poem by Arthur Rimbaud titled Larme. Larme means tear in English language, and this poem was originally from French and it was translated into English language. The reason why I chose this poem is because I really admire European literature because of its dense vocabulary, and I really appreciate another cultures. So yeah, please enjoy.
Hi, my name is Ale. The title of my poem is The Rose That Grew from a Crack in the Concrete by Tupac Shakur. I choose that poem because it has a lot of meanings. First, I think that it represents the life of Tupac Shakur because he's a famous rapper that was born in a slum or in a ghetto in United States. So we have that common thought that if you live in those kind of spaces, you are not going to succeed or accomplish your dreams. But he make it, and he make it really nice because he's one of the most important rappers in the world. And he was fighting, and he was really making a big change in the world. That's one of the reasons why I choose that poem, and also because I think that is the nature recovering what the human took from here, because it's like the rose that grew in the concrete. So yes, thank you.
Just like as in a nest of boxes round, degrees of size in each box are found. So, in this world, may many others be, thinner and less till by degree. Although they are not subject to our sense, a world might not bigger than two pence. Nature is curious, and such works may shape, which our dull sense easily escape. For creatures, small as atoms may there be, if everyone a creature's figure bear. If atoms fall, a world can make, then see what several worlds might in erring be. For million of those atoms may be in the head of one small, little single pin. And if too small, then ladies may well wear a world of worlds as pendants in its ear.
The winds blow, the river flows, like a light firefly's glows. The beautiful multicolored rainbow, the bright sunlight, the stars shining bright, the sky wide, the clouds hide, the rain showers, the beautiful flowers, the green trees, the hardworking little honeybees. With the sound sweet, every morning the birds greet. Between humans and nature, there is beautiful relation. The nature is the only creator of this beautiful creation.
Far from birds, from herds, from village girls, I used to drink, squatting in some heather, surrounded by tender woods of hazel trees, in the warm green afternoon vapor. What could I drink from this young oase? Voiceless elms, flowerless lawn, overcast sky. What could I suck from the cool of the culucas? Some insipid cold liquid that makes you sweaty. As I would have made a miserable sign for a hotel. Then, thunderstorms altered the sky until sundown. It was black country, lakes, poles, columns beneath blue night, railway stations. The water from the woods vanished over virgin sands. The wind pitched icicles from the sky into the ponds. Well, like a diver for shells or gold, to think that drinking wasn't even on my mind.
There will come soft rains, and the smell of the ground, and swallows circling with their shimmering sound, and frogs in the pools singing at night, and white plum trees in tremulous white. Robins will wear their feathery fire, whistling their whims on a low fence wire. And not one will know of the war, not one will care at last when it is done. Not one would mind, neither bird nor tree, if mankind perished utterly. And spring herself, when she woke at dawn, would scarcely know that we were gone.
Did you hear about the rose that grew from a crack in the concrete? Proving nature's law is wrong. It learned to walk without having feet. Funny it seems, but by keeping it dreams, it learned to breathe fresh air. Long live the rose that grew from concrete when no one else ever cared.